Welcome to Section 1, Introduction. Unlock your video's potential. You've poured your heart into creating amazing YouTube videos, and you're ready to share them with the world. But, there's a problem. Your videos are lost in a sea of content. No one's watching. So what can you do? Well, the answer is simple. Effective tagging. Tags and hashtags are your secret weapons for boosting visibility and attracting viewers. Think of tags and hashtags as signposts guiding viewers to your videos. They tell YouTube's algorithm what your content is about, helping your videos appear in relevant searches and recommendations. Without the right tags, your videos are like ships lost at sea, invisible to your target audience. In this digital age, where millions of hours of content are uploaded every day, getting your videos seen is more challenging than ever. You need every advantage you can get. Mastering the art of tagging is essential for any creator who wants to stand out from the crowd and achieve YouTube success. Moving on to Section 2, Discoverability, get found in the search. Let's face it, when people search on YouTube, they rarely scroll past the first page of results. To get views, your videos need to rank high. That's where tags come in. Tags are specific keywords that describe your video's content. When a user types a search query, YouTube's algorithm looks for videos with matching tags. If your video has relevant tags, it's more likely to appear in the search results. It's like using the right keywords to climb the Google ladder. But for YouTube, effective tags help your target audience find you. For example, if your video is about baking a chocolate cake, you'd use tags like chocolate cake recipe, easy baking, dessert recipe, and baking tutorial. The more precise your tags, the better your chances of attracting viewers genuinely interested in your content. And finally, Section 3, Engagement. Attract the right viewers. Tags don't just boost your visibility in search results, they also help YouTube recommend your videos to viewers interested in similar content. Think of it as a matchmaking service for your videos. YouTube analyzes the tags you use to understand your video's theme and target audience. Based on this information, YouTube suggests your videos to viewers who have watched similar content or shown interest in related topics. Using relevant tags ensures that your videos are recommended to the right people, increasing your chances of engagement. Remember, it's not just about getting views, it's about attracting the viewers. These are people genuinely interested in your content and more likely to watch, like, comment, and subscribe. By using targeted tags, you're essentially pre-qualifying your viewers, setting the stage for higher engagement. Section 4. Crafting your tags. Precision is key. Now that you understand the importance of tags, let's talk about how to choose the right ones. Start by brainstorming a list of keywords that accurately describe your video. Think about what your viewers would type into the search bar to find your content. Use a mix of broad and specific tags. Broad tags target a wider audience, while specific tags hone in on niche interests. For example, if your video is about training a golden retriever puppy, broad tags might include dog training and puppy training. Specific tags could be golden retriever puppy, crate training golden retriever, or housebreaking a golden retriever puppy. Don't forget to include common misspellings of relevant keywords. You'd be surprised how many people misspell words, even common ones. Adding misspelled variations as tags can help you capture those viewers who make typos. Remember, the goal is to make it as easy as possible for viewers to find your videos. Section 5. Hashtags, your ticket to trending. Hashtags are another powerful tool for boosting your YouTube visibility. Think of hashtags as supercharged tags. They group your videos with other content about the same topic, making it easier for viewers to discover your content organically. When you use a hashtag in your video title or description, it becomes clickable. Viewers who click on a hashtag are taken to a page dedicated to that topic, where they can find your video alongside other related content. Choose hashtags that are relevant to your video's content and currently trending on YouTube. You can find trending hashtags by looking at the Explore tab on YouTube or using social media listening tools. Using trending hashtags increases your chances of appearing on YouTube's trending page, exposing your video to a massive audience. Section 6. Conclusion, tag your way to success. There you have it. You've learned how to boost your YouTube visibility with the power of tags and hashtags. Remember, effective tagging is crucial for getting your videos discovered by the right audience. By using relevant, specific, and trending tags and hashtags, you're telling YouTube and viewers what your content is about. Don't underestimate the power of these small but mighty tools. Take the time to research, brainstorm, and implement effective tagging strategies for every video you upload. Your efforts will be rewarded with increased visibility, engagement, and ultimately, YouTube success. So what are you waiting for? Go forth and tag your way to the top. Your next viral video awaits.